This is a stress release workout. So you're gonna warm up a little bit. We're just gonna go on our toes, take off those shoes, no socks. Just do little heel raises, one after the other. This is a feel-good workout, but you'll still burn calories, you'll get stronger, and it's about 8.5 minutes long. So good posture, shoulders back and down, look straight ahead, and now we're just gonna bend those knees. We're gonna stretch a part of the calf called the soleus. Now point and flex, point and flex. Sometimes people have really tight shins and we just don't work our feet enough. Sometimes the pain may feel like it's coming from your hip, but it could be coming from the feet. You know, our body is a kinetic chain, so you can have pain in one area, but it shoots up and you'll feel it in the other. So we're gonna get your entire body warm and point and flex, and really point and really flex. So hopefully this workout will alleviate any stress. We're gonna do circles, make them as smooth as possible. Just concentrate on the birds in the background and the movements right here. Forget about what you have to do tomorrow, what craziness you had to deal with today. This is your time, so just think about the movements and that you are amazing. You are special and you deserve your own time. And that's why it's really important to exercise at least 30 minutes every single day. All right, so now I'm pretending I'm squishing putty underneath my heels. Just squish it. Get those toes and heels active. And squish it, squish it, squish it. Or you can pretend like you're squishing tomatoes, or in a barrel and you're squishing grapes. All right, we're gonna do some plie squats with an arm raise with a prayer at the top. I just hit the plant, so make sure you don't have any obstacles in your way. Knees are out and back, so it's not a squat. It's a plie squat, so everything is more upright. So your back is a lot straighter. Don't go fast at the top. Squeeze your booty at the top. That'll engage your abdominals. All right, take a little breather. And I want you to do lion's breath. Breathe in really deep and exhale through your mouth. Inhale, nice deep inhale, shoulder roll back, and exhale out. Awesome job. How you feeling? All right, next exercise. We're going to bring the foot front and back with a pointed toe. So pretend like your leg is really light and you're bouncing it from front to back. And go ahead, and if you move your arms like I'm doing right here, it will help you with balance. Make it smooth and fluid. Other side, point, get your balance, steady, and side, front. Side, front, again, bounce up, and bounce front, and side, front, and done. All right, next exercise. Go ahead and go on the floor, lay on your back, slowly roll down with your abdominals. We're gonna do bridges, and put your hands into little fists, and bring your booty up at the top, and squeeze your butt. Now, I'm going on my toes. I just really like the way this feels. You can have your feet flat if you like, but I like this better. Chin up, look up. We're gonna do 8, and squeeze, slow, lower, up. Squeeze that butt, slow, lower, up, squeeze that, those abdominals, slow, lower, up, squeeze, 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 and slow lower, up and down. Exhale at the top. Oh, yay, we're done. Do a little hug. You deserve it. All right, and bring yourself up. And stand up, face me. Now we're gonna do a little dance. All right, shift those hips side to side. Shake your head, toss your hair, make it fun. I mean, this is our little cardio portion here. And just dance. Dance around. It's a dance off. Shake those hips. Don't worry, no one's watching you. Shake those arms. Pretend you're at a nightclub. Side to side, shoulder rolls. Actually, I don't really care if you follow me or not. Just do whatever you want. Do your favorite dance and send it to me. All right, now let's get a little funky. All right, be as silly as you want right here. This is your stress release, and it's cardio. Yep, I'm having fun. So hopefully you are too. Maybe do a little kids dance. Get jiggy with it. Get silly. Smile, laugh, shake. Oh yeah. Keep dancing, keep shaking. Shoulder roll it back if you like. Reach to the sky. Do a 70s jig. Maybe it's 80s, 70s. All right. All right, hands behind the back. Squeeze your butt, look up, a little back bend and shoulder rolls. Side to side, and let's flex. Stretching the hamstrings, flex, point. Other side, 2 more, just like that. Stretch that hamstring and point. All right, calf stretch. Lean a little forward. Keep both heels flat on the ground, lean forward. Don't let that heel up, that way you'll release that stretch. We want to keep that stretch. All right. So I'm just showing you from the side. Flexing the hamstring from the side. Have a seat on the ground. Feet together. We're doing butterfly pose. And inhale and exhale. Inhale, shoulder roll up and down. Press that leg. Don't press on the kneecap, right above. See if you can press that leg down. Inner thigh stretch, shoulder back. Now just do a couple ohms with me. It means union of body, mind, and spirit. So cross your legs and Om. Again, Om. One more. Om. Inhale, exhale, drink lots of water. Hope you enjoyed this workout. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Drink lots of water and have a wonderful day or evening.